quite warm today.
It's quite warm today.
And it will be even warmer in the kitchen. They don't take credit cards. No small chili you want? Or...
It doesn't matter. It's spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, chili. I need paprika also.
Paprika.
And paprika, I haven't seen it much. You need one per person. 30 paprika. She has paprika also, and she has tomatoes.
Yeah, we stop there.
1 kilo.
1 kilo,
30.000.
30,000 for 1 kilo. So how many kilos? 3 kilos.
Yes.
3 kilo.
Khoai tây hành tây.
Yes, that we need also.
What food?
1 kilo.
Tamil.
1 kilo.
They are more expensive.
Yeah.
80.
But if we take more, then it's a discount. Yeah, try to say that.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. 5 for 1 kilo. We need 25. Let's say 25.
Let's say 25. Yeah, we take everything they have. She's so happy.
1.5 kilo. Yeah. Okay. How many onions do we need?
Onions, we need maybe 4. No, not potatoes. No.
Come quiet.
No, but this just. Take it easy. Is she the accountant of the family or?
Too much. Garlic. The garlic.
5 kilo, yes. No.
15 kilo.
No. We need.
Say stop. So I would say 2 per kilo.
2 per person. Yeah, but then it means 60. Now we have to count. No, wait. We decide, not you.
Hey. Bao nhiêu tiền? Một
cân là 60.
1 kilo?
60.000 kilo.
It's nothing.
Poor people who will have to peel them tonight. Peel 60
We start at
cloves.
2 and we're done with 5:30 with the peeling.
325.
You know?
Giá tím á.
They look like this.
They look like this.
Some of them.
I'm not sure it will work.
Đây em này nha.
Jesus Christ.
Surprised. Do you have bigger ones?
But we can also check.
Một cái to hơn nữa không có.
Now she decided she has to sell everything to us.
They are too small.
Yes. At this point, I don't know if the slim ones are better or the round ones.
There's nothing wrong with the taste. That I
No?
know. But I'm sure.
They don't even look like that because in that case, it's wait, we're talking.
No, like a banana tastes like the one at home.
Yeah.
High lamb, 25,000 for 1 kilo. That's nothing.
Nothing yet.
This is 1 kilo.
And I think we need at least 2 per person.
So that means 6 kilo. 8 kilo.
8 kilo. Cảnh nói vào mua trong kia đi 8 cân.
I think we are crazy.
Yeah. So next time I go there, she will not only buy 2 tomatoes and 1 over here. She will look at me.
I don't know how they fix the accounting then. But
Nhưng mà tao còn trông nó. Đây được yêu. Đâu bị. Ô Đông ơi.
it's a happy family. Space
That's
mission.
all of her.
Đây đây mà.
We come back. We want to look what happens.
Side of the market.
Okay. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
We cannot move freely. What a shithead.
Is it anything more?
Well, what about
We're waiting
this?
for the
We are waiting.
okay.
It exists. Confirmed.
Okay. Em đây.
Có,
Có.
đang mang ra rồi.
It's coming.
Đứng đấy.
5 phút.
10 phút.
No food. 10 minutes. We have to wait 10 minutes for the last. Should we try to find more paprika? We only have 6, 7, 8 something. That we need more paprika.
Đây,
Oh,
đây đây. Cao là anh ơi.
đau cả.
Anh ơi, hết rồi được bao nhiêu này? Anh ơi.
Fat. I'm
Yes.
fat.
Được bao nhiêu là bấy nhiêu nhá? Đây là 1 kilo nhá.
Yes.
Anh ơi.
Thanks. Tall and fat. Thank you. Are we buying from her or her?
Tính tiền đấy kìa. Số này
I
của
don't
30.000.
understand.
30.000. À, cho 25.000.
There's not much to discuss. That's what we buy.
Đúng rồi.
It has a price.
325.000 chỗ này chỉ tặng 10 là 425.000.
She's counting all the
465.
460,000. Now we walk. Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
She has paprika.
Yeah, I saw, but it's only 4. Everything.
No, no.
Nej, ja. Không så.
72, 70.000. 72.000 đến 70.000. Đây, cân
Okay.
hai đây.
I thought maybe it's better to focus on the peppers.
Yeah.
Maybe the eggplants are enough. I have no idea. I've never
Yeah.
bought so many eggplants.
I never bought so much vegetables.
No,
Never.
neither have I. There, is it paprika? No, no. That sitting guy there. He has vegetables. Yes. Yeah, they have. So,
What kilo? Okay.
chicky 1,000.
Chicky 1,000. Okay. 1 kilo. It's quite warm today.
It's quite warm today,
And
and
it will be even warmer in the kitchen.
it is no money.
It's absolutely no money. This is vegetables from 30 people for less than $20. Like $20.
Uncle Ho. We increased the price of the bell peppers on the market now because they are scarce commodity. They are not to be found in Hanoi. But the pale one. No, not the pale.
This one.
No, the
That.
pale. No.
Đây à?
Is it zucchini? This?
Quả này mua nhiều không?
Pino.
Bí ngồi.
Pinoy.
Đây là bầu.
Bow. Pinoy.
Bí xanh để bí xanh.
None of them is.
None of them are zucchini.
Mua mấy kilo?
More.
1 kilo à?
1 kilo.
Kilo hộ nhá.
1 kilo being more.
Đi vào đây để hộ nhá.
Fine. I lost 1 liter water.
I lost the water I didn't have already. So all this was some 12 euro.
Yeah, 15-20 euro for everything.
Waiting for the zucchini. Never did it in my life. Oh, well done.
Hỏi tiệm bảo 10.000 đồng Bắc vì ông không lấy thì thôi chứ. Ngu rồi thì 10.000 đáng vừa rồi. 15.000 hai cái.
It went easier than I thought.